Hi everyone, it's Pepsi here. Welcome to another Houdini tutorial. Today we are going to recreate the Gommage effect from Clair Obscur Expedition 33. If you're not familiar with the game, do yourself a favor and go play it, because it's a fucking masterpiece, and also because it has been made with Houdini alongside with a real engine. And we are going to recreate this particular shot with the couple on the roof. And this time we do have some starter scene. You can find the project link in the video description to download it. And it's basically just a couple of static mesh. This is the real mannequin I exported as a static mesh with UV, and just a box to make them sit on. And beside that, there's a basic karma setup. Here I have the block, the man and the woman, and just a grid for the floor, plus a few lights in karma. And also just some basic material. The block and the floor are just a plain tint with no specular, because they will be out of the camera. And for the man and the woman, I just have some basic texture setup. You will have the texture in the project folder, and it's basically just some diffuse with ambient occlusion multiplied on, a roughness, and a normal map. Very basic stuff. And I also included the dome light HDR. Just make sure when you download the project to set the correct job variable, because all the assets are linked to that variable. And it's not mandatory for you to download this scene. You can start with your own model. This workflow will work also with a sphere. We are going to remesh everything anyway. But if you want to work with something with texture, you need UV. So just make sure of that.